Welcome everyone to the second session of Tephra Fusion 2022. Last week we had session one with an introduction and overview and some of the rationale for why we're doing all of this. This week we have a team from Strabo Spot and Strabo Micro. Next week we will do CSAR and EarthChem. And then week 4, we will come all back together and discuss what we need for the future. Please note the Q&A function in Zoom. That's how we'll be taking questions. And if you wish to direct your question to a specific speaker, you may include that in your question when you type it into the Q&A. And we will try to keep up with those questions as we go. And so you'll see answers going into the Q&A live. And in a few places during this session, we will have some time for open discussion and live answers to questions. And so we'll get those as well. Before we go on to the speakers, I would like to draw your attention to the Tephra Fusion 2022 website. If you scroll down here, you will find the list of sessions, a number of resources, and if you go down a bit further, you will see the workshop archive. And so we already have the videos from the first session available, as well as the Q&A document. And so the videos link will take you to a playlist on YouTube, and the Q&A link will take you here, and we can see questions and answers from the first session, as well as quite a few links. Many of the links from the chat are down here if we keep going at the end, and there are a few interspersed in the questions and answers as well. So those resources are available from the first session, and the same will happen for session 2 next week, and those will go in this section on the website. So I'd like to welcome our contributors to this particular session. We have Doug Walker and Jason Ash from the University of Kansas. Doug will be presenting a portion of this session. Jason will be mostly answering questions, but could chime in as needed. And then we also have Nick Roberts at the University of Wisconsin, who will be managing the slides and doing some of the presenting as well. And I'm going to stop sharing so that the Strabo slides can go up.